Alright, leap of faith. Guys, Andy from Motos, K's and Coffee. Welcome to day 6 in northbound. I packed up camp in Conway, I think, New Hampshire. I'll be riding, thanks to Paul. I don't know if you can see him, he's over there. He gave me the BDR map so I could look at it a little bit. He actually had the Butler map, which is really cool. I took a picture and all. So I'll be riding stage 6 and a little bit of 7 today, and then I got it. Break off east to Presque-Isle, Maine. It's like right on the border of Canada, so I got a lot of riding to do today. Got campsite packed up, got the Pan America packed up, fueled, everything ready to go. I'm gonna head on out and we'll get on our way. Let's go. All right, and again, good morning everybody. I'm gonna get on my way. I might have made one mistake last night, I'm hoping not. I left my jacket for a good portion close to the motorcycle, and in the jacket are my keys. I'm hoping that I did not wear the battery down too much. Beautiful. Alright, let's just take a quick tour of the good morning again, and on the road. And so I'm heading out from Conway, New Hampshire, and heading up Lake 6 of the NEBDR. I have a long way to go, I think like 400 miles. Going to be going through New Hampshire and Maine. I forget, there's going to be some mountains I'm going to be headed through. That's the first part. This is the NEBDR. It's really twisty, curvy. I think it's going to be mostly on road, and then I got to cut off right to head mainly through Maine and go into Presque-Isle, Maine, and I'll tell you why I'm going to go there in a little bit. So I remember it's called the White Mountains. I think they're pretty scenic. There's rivers that run through here. It's just amazing. Great riding. Beautiful out. It's pretty chilly. You can feel it. It's getting a lot colder, and then kind of going up and up a little bit. Creek off to the right, but it's definitely getting colder and colder. Rocky Gorge, White Mountain National Forest, scenic site. Let's see. Can't really. Oh, hi puppy. Hi puppy. Hi guys. I still don't have time to literally go hiking right now. Darn it. I saw something up here. It's going to be shout out to my Club Turkey Club brothers, sisters. Gobble gobble. Just a quick stop here. Really beautiful area. Little pullover on the road. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Really see the mountains in the background. Getting bigger. glacier bowl. Yeah, it looks kind of like a glacier bowl. It is amazing. Wow. It's still cool out. I was gonna say in the 50s, but look at this. Wow. Wiley House Historic Site. Fabulous. Wow. Well, it looks like there's some sort of resort over there. Wonder if we can get to it. Wow. Fly fishing. Finally back on dirt this morning. Oh, this is just straight here. Small little trail or road. So cool. We got a river to the left of us. Slide that tail. Yes, this is so much fun. Yeah, it's definitely more muddy here right now. Whew, I can feel it. A little muddy. Ooh, it is all over the road. Wow, this is muddy. That's our end frame of dirt. Rain and asphalt arrived. Alright. I had to jump off to any DDR. I have to get to Maine today. I have to get to about where the border is, just to make up my timeline. There's also one more that I'll tell you about when I get there. It is 323 miles. Hey guys, it's Andy with another Minute Coffee Review. Dermody Road in Gorham, New Hampshire. Let's go check them out. All right, we're at a covered bridge. It's like my third one I've been to. Let's go down there and see what it looks like on the bottom there. All right, leap of faith. Woo! Did it. Cool. That was worth a little detour. Hey buddy, how you doing? Took a little detour to see the covered bridge. That one was pretty cool. Gotta go all around it. Do some off-road adventures on my own, not involving the bike. That's not Paul Bunyan. This isn't Brainerd. Mexico Veterans Park. Welcome to Mexico, Maine. Well, that was pretty interesting. I ran into the Cabbot Trail biker. I'm gonna put his link in my channel, probably right here, or in the description of this video. So he rides, he's famous for riding the Cabbot Island in Nova Scotia. A house? I can't remember, wherever the Cabbot Trail is. And he gave me a place that to go check out. We'll see if I can get to there. Cool dude. But I lost my glasses, so I got these ones up there. But yeah, we talked for a long time. He was with the crew. They were gonna meet Rolling Thunder crew, which is cool. So hopefully that's my last fill before I get to my stop for the night, and we're on the way. Okay, so we're supposed to get a scenic view here. Yep, that's scenic. Oh, wow. Let's get a picture, huh? Yeah, let's get a picture of that. That is awesome. Hello, Maine. Okay, as promised, I said why I am in a hotel. Well, when my motorcycle broke down in New Jersey, and the dealer picked me up, and he threw a whole bunch of bikes to work on my bike, and everything was really appreciated. I was entering my information from my passport card into Arrive Can. You have to now put your information in an app called Arrive Can every time you go. If you're Canadian, if you're American, it doesn't matter. Whatever nationality you are, you have to put your information in this app about when you're going to be crossing and how you're going to be crossing, passport number. And so I was typing it in, and he grabbed my shoulder to let me know my bike was ready. I put my passport card in my wallet, and I jumped up. Well, unbeknownst to me, it slipped out of my wallet, and it landed on the couch, and I had no idea. A few days later, I got a call from the same owner who picked me up, and he said, "Hey, Andy, you missing anything?" I said, "Why?" He goes, "We found your passport card." And my jaw just dropped. I was 600-700 miles away from the dealer by then, and I had no idea what to do. He said, "Listen, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to FedEx it to the nearest Harley-Davidson dealer to your crossing site as you can." And my jaw dropped. He goes, "I'm driving there right now to the FedEx store." So he drives to FedEx, and he FedExed it to the store, and I'm gonna go to the store and pick up my passport card. Just, again, an amazing dealer and amazing help throughout this entire trip. Everyone's really bent over backwards to help me out in situations like that. So I can't thank him enough. Ben, thank you so much. And then also, there's a Harley-Davidson dealership in Caribou, Maine, where I'm going to be going. So thank you again. And I called them, and they have it. So that's why I'm here. So I can get it first thing in the morning, then cross in. That way I don't have to pack up or anything. I can just get the passport card and go. So again, another night in a hotel, twist my arm, right? The weather's been great. I've talked a lot about what makes this Harley-Davidson great. I want to talk about the reactions I get everywhere I go. Everyone wants to know what kind of motorcycle it is. All the Harley-Davidson guys are really excited about it. All the other adventure touring folks are actually really excited and come talk to me about it. It's not super prevalent in the area that I'm on, which tells me that, and the adventure touring adventure riders that I see, mostly big ADV bikes, except for Paul. He was on a really small one. They're the big ADV bikes. They're very loaded up, even more than I am, with boxes and top racks and so forth. And got it. I mean, that's the way to travel. I try to be as small and little as possible, but they're bringing a lot with them, and those bikes will do it. I haven't ridden all the big ADV bikes, but I didn't see any on the really tight technical, or I won't say tight technical, but just technical trails I was on. And they were on the main dirt roads and the asphalt roads. Neither here nor there. But the Pan America really was able to take those on. So everyone comes up and talks to me about the bike. They want to know what it is, who makes it. They can't believe it's Harley Davidson. And it's been a really, really conducive motorcycle just to get people to talk to me. So it's been really cool on this trip. Yeah, and it's been a fantastic ride so far. So it's wonderful weather the last few days. I got to check tonight. I'm going to pick up the passport card in the morning and be on my way. So that's going to do it for me. Tomorrow I finish my upward leg northbound. I'm on the Island ADV. Again, check out his channel. And excited to cross over the border. I think I have one more ferry ride to go from Nova Scotia into Prince Edward Island. So again, that's going to do it for me. We'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.